How to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp web. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Using the search icon, search for WhatsApp. If you have downloaded, open the app, otherwise you can open on browser as well. Now simply navigate to the group from which you want to transfer the members. Now tap on group name to open the group info screen at top of the screen. And now here you will see members button. Click on it. And now click on invite the group via link. And now click on copy link. And after that the link will be copied of this particular group. And then that particular link serves as an invitation for members to join the new group. Now you simply need to go to another group where you want to transfer the members to. And after that, you simply need to paste that particular group link and click on arrow at bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, by sending the link to this group, the members from this group will easily click on it to accept the invitation and they will be automatically redirected to the new group and added as members. And that's how you transfer members from one WhatsApp group to another using a simple link. So this method is quick, efficient and saves you from the tedious process of adding each person manually. So if this video was helpful then hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.